welcome back to my channel. It is so good to have you, and thank you for joining me once again. If you are among those people that is struggling, like trying with your front hair issues, you're trying to grow your edges, then this video is for you. Or you know someone that is going through that, then this video is also for you. All you need to do is just to share this video with that person, and it's actually going to help a whole lot. But I just have to add this before we go into the main tea of the day. Okay, so if you are struggling with growing your front hair, I just have to advise you, you need to avoid very tight braids. You need to do away with those Ghana weaving, laying of edges, at least for now, until you are able to regrow your edges. So when you regrow your edges, then you can start. Let's go right into the video. Okay, so to grow your hair, and this particular one we're actually going to be focusing on the edges, you need oils. In case you don't know, you need to know it today that oil is crucial when it comes to promoting hair growth. And the oils that we're going to use is oils that really helps in promoting hair growth super fast. Here are just few of the oils that I have when it comes to promoting hair growth. So I have here the extra virgin olive oil. If you are going to be using the olive oil, please ensure that you get the extra virgin olive oil for your hair. And the next oil I have here is the rosemary oil. I don't know whether you can see this. This is the rosemary oil. Rosemary is actually very good when it comes to promoting hair growth. It actually works for even people that are having alopecia. The next oil I have here is one of my favorite oils. This is the moringa oil. I really don't want to say much in moringa. I have a lot of videos on moringa, but if I have to say it, moringa is actually very good when it comes to promoting hair growth as well. I mean, for hair and any other thing for the skin is actually very good. You can actually use this on your hair, you can actually use this on your skin, and the result will be amazing. And why I'm so proud of this is that I actually made this one by myself, so I know that it is not altered by anything. So this is actually a very potent moringa oil. Hair is actually made of protein, and what better way for us to grow our hair than to use a good source of protein, which actually comes from the egg. So in this jar I have my organic honey. You can see this, I have my organic honey. So honey is actually very good when it comes to hair because it contains natural humectant that help attract moisture to your hair, prevent your hair from drying, because once the hair is dry, it's usually prone to breakage. So if you're going to use honey, please ensure that you get the organic honey. I'm going to first of all whisk this until it is completely watery. Mixing, you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of the moringa oil. Then you're gonna do the same thing to the extra virgin olive oil. So after doing that, you're going to mix everything together. So thank you so much for watching up to this point. I do appreciate. Okay, so this is the mixture that we made. Okay, so I don't know whether I mentioned earlier, so what you're actually going to do is that you're going to apply this, pick it and put it on your hair. I mean, massage it on those places where you don't have hair. Just concentrate on those places where you don't have hair. Okay, after doing that, you can cover your shower cap or your grocery bag or waterproof bag or leather, as we call it here in Nigeria, or leather bag. Just cover it and leave it to stay for like 1 hour, then you wash it off. Please ensure that you wash this off with cold water, except you're ready to have a scrambled egg on your head, then you can go in with hot water. When you're done washing it off, then you can now go in with your hair growth oils, your oils for your hair. Okay, you can do this as often as you want, consistently until you're able to see results. Okay, so that is just it for this video. I hope this was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comment section down below. Share this video with your friend. Do not forget to like it. And if you have a private hair questions, please kindly send me a DM on my Instagram, and it will be my pleasure to assist you with your natural hair issues. Okay, until another time when I will come your way, my name remains ID Francis. Bye. I love you and you know it.